Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to the Student the Brand. So this is the second part. Whatever we are discussing, Cbse Grade 10 Physics. So light reflection and diffraction. Once again, course will I'll explain the course part. Then we'll see. The course is about Cbse Grade 10 Physics. CBSE CBSE Grade 10 Grade 10 Physics. 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 So, four chapters, four chapters, four chapters, and second one, soft copy notes. Soft copy notes I'll provide. CBSE Grade 10, four chapters, light reflection and refraction. So, first one is light reflection, light reflection, and refraction, and refraction, refraction. And second one is human eye and colorful world, human eye and colorful world, colorful world. And third one is electricity, electricity. And fourth one is magnetic effects of electric current, magnetic, magnetic effects of electric current, electric current, magnetic effects of electric current. See, these four chapters I'll be explaining light reflection, diffraction, human and colorful world, electricity, magnetic effects, electric current. So these four chapters I'll be explaining through live class. Doubt clarification will be done, and soft copy will be provided. Soft copy of these four chapters. Soft copy of these four chapters will be given, and also you can get 100 definition from these four chapters and 100 problems from electricity chapter. This everything I'll be giving with the cost of 500 rupees. With the cost of 500 rupees. So you can contact to me through this number. I'll be giving the number 9849812804. So this is the number. So through that number you can contact to me. Okay. So now we'll go to the next topic. That is nothing but spherical mirrors. Spherical, spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors are nothing but. So if you are considering, so I'm taking the sphere. So this is the sphere. This is one portion. I'm taking a small portion from the sphere. So reflection, according to the reflection, the mirror will change. So if I'm taking coating will be outside, reflecting surface will be inside. That type of mirror is called concave mirror. Concave mirror. Concave mirror. So if you are taking one more, reflected surface will be outside, coating will be in. So I'm taking like this. reflection will be like this. So this type of mirror is called convex mirror, convex mirror, convex mirror, and this mirror is called concave mirror. Here you need to understand one thing. So by observing the mirror, we can get the nature also. So how the light rays are moving, how the light rays are how the light rays are after reflection, how the light rays are moving. So here you have to understand, in concave mirror, after reflection, light rays are convergent meeting at one point on the principal axis. So this is the principal axis. Light rays are converging and meeting at one point, right? So the after reflection, light rays are converge. So that's why concave mirror is also known as converging mirror. Converging mirror. Converging mirror. Whereas convex mirror is known as diverging mirror. Convex mirror is known as diverging mirror because light rays, here you can see light rays are moving away from the principal axis. So this is the principal axis. Light rays are moving away from the principal axis. Away from the principal axis. So that's why this convex mirror is also known as diverging mirror, whereas concave mirror is known as converging mirror because after reflection, light rays will be converged. And next one, we can see terms in spherical mirror. Terms terms used in the spherical mirror. Terms used in the spherical mirror. What are the terms we used? We will see now. Terms used spherical mirror. So here I am considering spherical mirror. So here like this is the spherical mirror. This is spherical mirror. So I am considering the concave mirror like this. Concave mirror. Okay. Then the midpoint of the mirror is called pole. This is the midpoint. So that is called pole. This is called pole. The midpoint of the mirror is called pole. This is the pole. Okay. So after reflection, light rays. So actually it is a part of the sphere. So this is a part of the sphere, right? It is a part of the sphere. So here, for normally if you are taking sphere, there is a center. For this also center will be there. That is called center of curvature. Why we are calling it as a center of curvature? Because it is a part of the sphere. It is part of the sphere. Imaginary sphere. Actually, it is not a real sphere. It is imaginary sphere in which mirror is a part. Imaginary. We are assuming. So this is a completely sphere. It is the center of the imaginary sphere in which a mirror is a part. Actually, the center will be mirror for the mirror only, but that is a part of the imaginary sphere. So that's why center of curvature. First one is pole. Second one is center of curvature. Third one is radius of curvature, because from center to one point we are taking radius. So here also center to this point, that is called radius of curvature. After reflection, so I'm taking this light rays are coming like this. So if you are taking light rays will be like this. So one light ray I'm taking like this, another light ray I'm taking like this. All light rays are convergent meet at one point on the principal axis. So here I'm taking like this. So this all light rays will, after reflection, all light rays will meet at one point on the principal axis. That is called focus. That is called focus. Okay. So this is the pole, focus, center of curvature. And the distance between center of curvature to center of curvature to pole is called radius of curvature. As we know, from here to here, this is called radius of curvature. That is known as radius of curvature. Center to pole. And focus to pole is called focal length. Focus, this is the focus f. From focus to pole is called focal length, small f. So focus we discussed, and fourth one is focal length, f. And fifth one, width of the mirror. This is the width of the mirror. So I'm considering this is the width of the mirror, like this here. So this is called aperture. The width of the mirror is called aperture. Width of the mirror is called aperture. So once again, I'm considering here. So terms of spherical mirror. The midpoint of the mirror is called pole. This is the pole. And the center of the imaginary sphere in which mirror is a part, that is called center of curvature. After reflection, all light rays will meet at one point on the principal axis, that is called focus. Principal focus also. And the distance between center curvature to pole is called radius of curvature, and the distance between focus to pole is called focal length. And the width of the mirror is called aperture. So we can name it M and N here. Width of the mirror. So capital M and capital N I'm taking. And the seventh one is principal axis. The line joining of center curvature and pole. The line joining of center curvature and pole is called principal axis. Or line passing also we can say. It is a line passing through center curvature and pole. A line joining passing through center curvature and pole is called principal axis. Principal axis. Principal axis. So this is about terms is spherical mirror. Once again, we'll discuss all the points. So here you can see the midpoint of the mirror. So this is the pole. And the center of the imaginary sphere in which mirror is a part. After reflection, all light rays will meet at one point on the principal axis, that is called focus. The distance between focus to pole is called focal length. The distance between center of curvature and pole is called radius of curvature. And the width of the mirror is called aperture. The line joining of center of curvature and pole is called principal axis. These are the points. These are the terms here in the spherical mirror. Terms here in the spherical mirror. And nature already we discussed. Converging nature and diverging nature. Everything. And ray rules. Ray rules we'll discuss. So until here, we'll take one more part. So ray rules we'll discuss. Ray rules and image formations, I will take one part. So this is about spherical mirror, terms of spherical mirror. So thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video.